Oh my God. What an incredible quarter for Snapchat. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely incredible. We've got to go ahead and get into this. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. First off, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to another video. You already know we're going to talk about Snapchat. We have got to talk about these earnings. Absolutely incredible. As of the time of this recording, Snapchat is up a whopping 60% in after hours. After the earnings first came out, it was up about 30%. Then it went up 40%. Then it just kept going up and up and up. And now it's up a whopping 60% in after hours. So let's just go ahead and talk real quick about why. Let's just talk about why. People want to know, why is Snapchat going up? What's going on here? I thought Facebook destroyed all the social media companies. Wrong. The problem with Facebook is solely on Facebook and their crappy management and their horrible CEO and all of the issues that they're having in the media and all the scandals and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So Snapchat revenue increased 42% to 1.3 billion in Q4 2021 compared to the prior year. You look here. Here's the big one. This is the biggest reason why Snapchat went up so much. The first quarter of positive net income as a public company of 23 million in Q4 2021. What this means is this was the first quarter that Snapchat was profitable. Let me say that word again. Profitable in terms of net income since they became a publicly traded company. Now remember, all these growth stocks are getting destroyed because of what? Because of that one word, profitable. Because of what? Profitability. A lot of these growth stocks are getting killed because they are unprofitable, and some of them in some cases in their earnings reports are not showing any signs of ever becoming profitable. But guess what? Snapchat just did it. Snapchat is such an incredible company. This is why I made a video on it about 3-4 months ago. I made a video on Snapchat in October. I always was a believer. I always knew. And I've been dollar cost averaging to this stock for a while because this is one of the only social media stocks that just continues to grow and grow at alarming rates every single quarter. It's absolutely incredible. They're actually almost doing what Facebook did. If you look at Facebook in its early days, and you just look at Facebook for every single quarter, they just kept growing and growing and growing and growing. Now, Facebook is starting to lose out on users and competition is starting to wane in on Facebook's dominance. And that's why Facebook had a bad earnings call. That's why Facebook stock plummeted so much, and it's paving the way for some of the competitors like TikTok, which I don't think TikTok's a public company, and Snapchat to start to take some of that market share. And that's what we're seeing here. So here we go. Adjusted EBITDA improved 97% to 327 million in Q4 2021 compared to the prior year. Operating cash flow was 186 million in Q4 2021. Free cash flow was 161 million. I mean, everything was amazing. Everything. There's nothing bad here. Let's scroll down and look even further. Look at this. Daily active users was 319 million in Q4 2021, an increase of 54 million or 20% year over year. Snapchat absolutely destroyed their earnings. I mean, my God. Year over year growth in daily active users has been, look at this. We gotta highlight this. This is incredible. We have to highlight this. Year over year growth in daily active users has been 20% or more for 5 consecutive quarters. Holy freaking cow. Snapchat is killing it. Great CEO, great management, great execution, great company. Let's see. Daily active users increased sequentially and year over year in each of North America, Europe, and the rest of the world. Ooh, that's amazing. And then you start to see some of this stuff about them invested and innovating their augmented reality platform, which I already told you guys. I said this from the beginning. Facebook is all over here. I want to get in the metaverse. I want to do the meta thing and blah, blah, blah. Snapchat's already doing it. You know, the reason what made me actually get into Snapchat so heavily is because I talked to my little brother. He's 12 years old now. I think I talked to him maybe when he was still 12. No. No. He was 11 when I talked to him. And he told me that him and all his friends use TikTok, they get on YouTube, and they use Snapchat. And he told me that he's able to like scroll out into a map and see where all his friends are located all throughout the neighborhood. And he can see like their little like Bitmojis, like their little avatars throughout the entire little virtual map on Snapchat, and he's able to see where his friends are, like their exact location in the real world. It's really incredible. So Snapchat's already making their way into the metaverse, and then you're hearing about this augmented reality platform, and you already know that they've got the little augmented reality glasses, and Snapchat is just absolutely killing it. But I think what made Snapchat and some of the other social media platforms go down recently was because Facebook had a bad earnings, and everybody thought that that would be a reflection of all the social media companies. And now you get to see Facebook has its own problems, has nothing to do with some of these other great companies. And that is why I am such a believer and such a fan of Snapchat and this company. I think this is an excellent company. And like I said, this company is growing at such an alarming rate. Let me go back. Where is it? We got to go back here. We got to highlight this again. Year over year, growth in daily active users has been 20% or more for 5 consecutive quarters. There are very few companies that can do that. Snapchat is incredible. It really is. So I like Snapchat. I really do. I love this company. I'm trying to look through and see if there's anything else that we can take. I'm sure you guys are seeing what I'm scrolling through. You can see just kind of everything that they've been doing. We've expanded our offering for advertisers. Okay. Oh, financial guidance. Uh-oh. Look at this. They beat on guidance too, by the way. I did see that. It says here, revenue is estimated to be between 1,000. I think that means $1 billion. Yeah, because it doesn't say 1 million. It says basically 1,000 million. I don't know why they have it written like that, but that's $1 billion. That's what they're saying. They're saying revenue is estimated to be between 1.03 billion. Yeah. Revenue is estimated to be between 1.03 billion and 1.08 billion. Like I said, I don't know why it says million, but you see it says 1,000 million. So that's billion. I know that. So they're killing it. They are absolutely killing it. So here's what everybody wants to know, right? So let's go ahead. Should you buy this company now? Well, the stock is up 60% in after hours, so I would not buy this company right now. I would exercise some patience. I would not buy this company right now. What I would do is I would wait for it to go down a little bit more, because the hype's going to die out. Give it a few days. Tomorrow you're probably going to see a bunch of traders try and get in the stock and take advantage of whatever they can, and then there may be another pop. Who knows? One thing I can tell you is I highly doubt Snapchat's ever going to go back to $25. That probably won't happen, but at the very least you may be able to get it at a cheaper price than it is right now. And so I would wait a little bit, but you already know I'm an investor. I've been in this company for months now. I've been here. I've been new. And if you're going to invest in Snapchat, keep in mind that this is a company that you're going to want to invest in for the next 3 to 5 to 10 years. I mean, this is going to be a major player in the social media space. I mean, they've got the young kids. That's the biggest thing. The young kids, the kids that be dancing on TikTok and having fun, they're using Snapchat too. And that's very important for any business model as social media continues to grow going forward. And so, yeah, Snapchat's a great company. I'm very excited. I've been holding this stock for a while now, and it just kept going down and down and down. But I always knew it was a great company. And so here we go. Now you guys know. Snapchat has proven themselves to be everything that I thought they were. So there you have it. That'll go ahead and conclude today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.